Hello and welcome to the question answer of Tale of Two Birds। नमस्कार, आप सभी का स्वागत है टेल ऑफ टू बर्ड्स के सवाल जवाब में। यहाँ आपको जो जवाब दिए गए हैं, आप चाहो तो इन्हें अपने शब्दों से परिवर्तन करके लिख सकते हो। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। How did the two baby birds get separated? The two baby birds lived in a tall tree with their mother. One day a big storm blew. The tree came down. The mother bird was killed. The strong wind blew the two chicks away to the other side of the forest, at a little distance from each other. Thus they got separated from each other. Question number 2. Where did each of them find a home? One of the young birds came down near a cave. A gang of robbers lived there. The other bird landed outside the ashram of a rishi at a little distance. Number 3. What did the first bird say to the stranger? Here the stranger means the king. The first bird saw the stranger man who was the king. He called the robbers to hurry up and rob the man of his jewels and his horse. Here, the bird did not say anything to the man directly, but he spoke to the robbers. So, if you want, you can mention that the bird did not speak to the king or the stranger man directly. The king is called stranger because that time it was not known to the bird that he is the king. That's why the stranger word is used. अगर आप इस आंसर को देखें तो यहाँ पे कहा गया है कि पहला चिड़िया जो है उसने राजा से या उस अनजान व्यक्ति स्ट्रेंजर का इस्तेमाल इसीलिए किया गया है क्योंकि यहाँ वो राजा था, इस बारे में उस चिड़िया को नहीं पता था और उस चिड़िया ने राजा से कुछ नहीं कहा था, वो डाकुओं से बात कर रहा था। तो आप चाहें तो आप इसे ऐड भी कर सकते हैं, लगा भी सकते हैं कि वो राजा से उसने कुछ नहीं कहा बल्कि उसने राजा को देखकर उस डाकुओं से ये बात कही थी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. What did the second bird say to him? The second bird welcomed the king to the ashram. He requested the stranger to drink water, take rest and make himself comfortable. Question number 5. How did the rishi explain the different ways in which the birds behaved? The king told the rishi about the different behavior of the two birds. The rishi explained that the first bird repeated the words of the robbers. The second bird repeated what he had always heard at the ashram. Their different ways were the results of their company. Question number 6. Which one of the following sums up the story best? A bird in a hand is worth two in the bush. One is known by the company one keeps. And the last one is a friend in need is a friend indeed. So the answer is one is known by the company one keeps, because the story tells that the birds, they behaved differently because of their environment or what they have heard. So the moral of the story or the one line conclusion of the story could be the second one. One is known by the company one keeps. So this is the answer to the first chapter. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक कीजिए. Say if you want to say something in the comment box. Subscribe this channel. Press the bell icon so that you could get upcoming videos directly. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट करके बताइए आपको कैसा लगा, और या फिर आप अगर कुछ कहना चाहते हैं तो कमेंट कीजिए. अगर आपने चैनल को अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद साथ में आए हुए बेल आइकन को भी दबा दीजिए ताकि आने वाले वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलते रहें. इसी के साथ ही हम यहीं इस वीडियो को समाप्त करते हैं. थैंक यू. धन्यवाद.